Hi, I'd like to talk today about a topic I'm very interested in, which is line of fire incidents. What is a line of fire incident? Well, line of fire is where you position yourself or part of your body in the way of a moving object. And if you're in the wrong place at the wrong time, this can result in a serious injury. Whenever you work with suspended loads or working in and around mobile equipment, or maybe carry out tasks that involve manual handling or use of hand tools, you might be putting yourself in the line of fire. So when you carry out these tasks, just take a few seconds to think about where the moving object may end up. Taking those few seconds may make the difference between whether you're in the line of fire or out of the line of fire. Some examples we should all be familiar with. Standing between the forklift and a stacker rail. This is a catastrophic potential between two objects. Standing underneath a suspended load. Walking in a congested traffic area. Standing in front of a disconnect when it's switched on. Or how about cutting a piece of drywall with your hand in the wrong place? It's quite simple really. If we can place our body in a safe position outside of the line of fire, the risk of being struck, pinched, cut or impaled is eliminated. Here's an example of a struck by incident that we experienced in one of our plants.
On June 23, 2016, 3 maintenance technicians were responding to a broken shaft on the SG1 measuring screw. The shaft had broken and needed to be replaced. With the motor and yellow guard removed, this exposed the broken shaft. The maintenance tech then bolted on a piece of metal to the end of the shaft that was used in conjunction with 2 porter powers to extract the shaft from the machine. The maintenance techs then began to extract the shaft from the machine. With only a few inches left before the broken shaft was extracted, the shaft shot out of the machine, striking the maintenance technician just below the shoulder. Placing your body in the line of fire can have serious consequences. Now we will hear some tips on how to avoid a line of fire incident.
Hopefully that example helped you visualize a line of fire incident. So here's some simple tips on how we might be able to avoid such a situation. Use a field risk assessment to understand what's going on around you. Inspect the tools and the equipment you're about to use. Inspect the whole work area to see if anything unusual is going on. Think of your body position, where you're standing, where you're placing your hands, and watch out for others around you. Thank you for your attention. I hope this has helped you avoid a line of fire incident in the future. And maybe now is a good time to discuss with your colleagues line of fire instances.